When I'm out exploring for fossils, half the fun is just being surrounded by these massive landscapes. It's hard to describe how small you feel out here, so instead, I show it.
This is the Pterosaur. I named it after the giant flying reptiles that ruled the skies millions of years ago. Seemed appropriate. I've been getting a lot of questions lately about how I get some of the shots I do when I'm out on a fossil expedition, so I thought I'd show you some of the moves I do when I'm out in the field.
Here are 6 maneuvers that you can try to make your footage look professional and dynamic without needing a whole crew. Let's check them out. We'll start with the classic drone shot. It's a simple one but effective for a reason. The drone flies backward and climbs while keeping the camera locked on whatever subject you've chosen. I like to use this move when I'm wrapping up a spot, like after finding something cool or reaching the end of a trail. It starts close and personal, then slowly reveals just how wide and empty the world around you is. Next up, the DNA strand. You remember Mr. DNA from Jurassic Park.
Oh, Mr. DNA, where did you come from? From your blood.
How he's got those 2 strands spiraling in a helix. The drone does the same thing. It flies up and orbits while climbing an elevation. It's awesome for showing off terrain, especially when you're surrounded by cliffs or canyons. I use this one when I want a shot that feels alive. It's smooth, cinematic, and gives that big reveal moment. The rocket is exactly what it sounds like. Straight up, camera pointed down, simple move with a big impact. I'll use it when I'm parked in an interesting spot, like next to a wash or a fossil outcrop. It's a great way to show off texture. You can really see the patterns of erosion and sediment layers from above. It's also one of the fastest ways to grab an establishing shot for a new location. The circle move is another classic. The Pterosaur locks onto me, or the subject, and orbits smoothly around. It's perfect for those quiet moments when I'm just taking in the view or prepping some gear. You can use it to show your surrounding without any fancy editing. Just a clean, steady rotation that feels cinematic right out of the gate. If I only had one drone move to use for an entire video, this would probably be it. The Boomerang is a bit flashier. The drone flies out and around, rising and dropping as it loops back. It gives your footage a ton of motion, which really sells that whole adventure expedition vibe. I like using this one at overlooks or summits, anywhere you want to show off the scale of what's around you. If you line it up right with the terrain, you can get some really wild perspective shifts. And finally, the Asteroid. This one's kind of a mix between a video and a panoramic photo. I'll fly the Pterosaur backwards and up, rapidly taking a bunch of photos. Then I'll fly it back to where it started. The result looks a little like a planet hanging in space, and it's a cool way to end a sequence. I'll use it when wrapping up a location.
You know, these drone moves are simple, but they help me tell a story of the fossils I find and expeditions I go on. This little Pterosaur gives a whole new perspective, and hopefully you guys learn something and you can take it and make some cool videos or get some cool shots of your own.
Every time it takes off, the drone shows me the world in a way that those ancient flyers once did, soaring above landscapes that really haven't changed much in the past 65 million years. So whether I'm out digging for fossils or chasing the next horizon, the Pterosaur and I will be out here, uncovering the past one adventure at a time. If you liked the video and learned something new, go ahead and hit the like button. If you have a question, go ahead and leave it in the comments below. And if you want to hang out again and see more fossil expeditions and adventures, go ahead and subscribe. We've got a lot more ground to cover.